Hey guys, so today we're going to do a really interesting case. It is a resection of a hemivertebra, and what a hemivertebra is a portion of the spinal bone that hasn't formed correctly. So today, hemivertebra resection is a very cool case. It's not a common case. You definitely don't see this very often in private practice, but luckily we've been trained to do these kind of cases, and I find them extremely rewarding for the patient and exciting for us. As you saw me out there earlier, I was washing my hands, and we wash our fingers on all four sides. And we scrub, typically the traditional scrub is for 5 minutes. We don't do quite 5 minutes anymore, since studies have shown that you don't have to go the full 5 minutes, but we wash our hands all the way to our elbows, and we make sure that our hands are sterilely cleaned, and everything in the OR that's blue is sterile. And so when we're gowned in, we can't touch our face, we can't touch anything below our waist, we can't touch anything that's not blue or sterilely prepped. So, you know, the whole idea of hygiene in the OR, we understand that very well. We've been dealing with masks and watching how we touch our body and our faces for many years. So COVID wasn't as difficult for us as it was for probably a lot of people.